Hello crafty friends, my name's Alicia, but you can call me Crafty Al. And welcome to one of my favorite videos to make each month, my Happy Mail / Show Us Your SheetLoad. I hope you'll stick around to see what came in my P.O. box this month. Welcome, or perhaps welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here today. Each month, I like to stop by and share a look with you at what came in my P.O. box for the month. Sometimes these are just because cards, sometimes they are examples of the latest sheet loads, and like this month, sometimes it is a load of birthday cards. I'm so excited that my birthday got extended a little bit with all of these fun cards that I get to open today. Oh my gosh, guys, not only were the cards amazing, but so were the sweet notes inside. If you're ever interested in sending me a card for the Show Us Your SheetLoad feature, or just because, my P.O. box is listed at the bottom of the description box below, and I also have the Show Us Your SheetLoad video to give us more details if you're going to send in a sample using the latest SheetLoad of Cards edition. Let's go ahead and take a look at my April 2025 Happy Mail. Up first is a card from my bestie Danny from right here in Nebraska. I recently inspired her to purchase the color cubes, and guys, she sent me the first card she made using one of them. Carmen from Colorado sent me this beautiful Easter card. Not only is it gorgeous flat, but check it out, you guys. It is a fun fold that pops up the front to look like a cross, and it also has an easel on the back so it stands up. Sandra J. from Washington, aka my crafty godmother, sent me this postcard type card where the little pocket and tag on the front uses the Gummy-a-Pan Easter Advent Calendar, which, if you guys did not watch my live series, make sure to check it out. I'll link it below. You can still collect those secret words to be entered to win one of 2 calendars I have to give away. And speaking of that, if you are watching this video and you're collecting secret words, I have one for you from this video. Your bonus secret word will be mail, M-A-I-L. Again, keep that a secret. Karen C. of Maryland sent me this very cute card that uses the April 2025 sheet load sketch, and she also sent me a little inspirational card with it. Cheryl S. from Utah made this adorable bunny card that was inspired by the April 2025 sheet load. I love how she has added that scallop element to the top. Barb S. from Florida also sent in an example using the April 2025 sheet load. I am loving that bold floral paper in the background and how she has switched up the tag shape a little bit. Up next is another card from Sandra J., my crafty godmother from Washington, and she is kicking off the cards that I got from my birthday. Inside was a sweet note and special gift. Thank you so much, Sandra, and check out the sparkle on the front of that card. Sarah C. from Michigan sent me this colorful birthday card. I think she might have used the March 2022 sheet load to inspire it. Megan K. from Pennsylvania blessed me with this adorable ladybug card for my birthday. I don't know if you know it, but I am a fan of anything that has glasses on it. And speaking of my favorites, you know I love a rainbow, so this birthday card from Carmen of Colorado was perfect, and she shared some leftover rainbow flowers with me. This birthday card was sent to me by my sister-in-law Melissa, and it was one that I think we made together during Stamp Joy. You might have met her if you were there or if you watched my videos from 2 years ago. She is such a sweetheart. This birthday card was sent to me by Danny, my bestie here in Nebraska, and I absolutely love that envelope full of rainbow tulips. Barb S. from Florida also sent me 2 cards this month. The first one I shared earlier, and this one was sent to me for my birthday. I absolutely love how the front of that card was made. I'm definitely going to have to give it a try. Elisa H. from Alabama sent me this lovely personalized birthday card. Not only, again, is it gorgeous flat, but check out, it opens up and actually stands up and is kind of three-dimensional. Jennifer D. from Minnesota sent me this bright and adorable birthday card, which uses the April 2025 sheet load for the layout. This birthday card came from Caroline and Rosemarie K. of California. I love that big postage stamp on the front, and they let me know on the inside they're a mother-daughter duo who enjoy watching my videos and making sheet load of cards together. Jean M. from Pennsylvania sent me this adorable birthday card, which it is another one that has lots of surprises. So when it's flat, it looks so cute. And then there are flaps that open up on the front to reveal the word celebrate, and it is also a top fold card with a message on the inside. Polly N. from Texas sent me this beautiful birthday card. I'm loving that layout and the little fussy cut flowers. Susan R. from California sent me this graphic birthday card. I'm loving all of those circles and how that part in the middle looks like it has vellum over it, but it's actually circles cut out of slightly different cardstock colors. This birthday card from Karen M. of Colorado that uses a February 2025 sheet load is beautiful on the outside and inside. I love those rich papers she has used, and you guys, her handwriting is gorgeous. And last but certainly not least is this birthday card from Chris D. of Washington. You can't tell on screen, but guys, this is just full of foiling and shine. Weren't all of the cards outstanding? If you agree, as always, give this video a thumbs up. Maybe leave some love for your favorites down in that comment section below. And again, thank you so much to everyone who took the time to send in a card and note this month. It was so sweet to receive and read them all. Until tomorrow, when I'll be back with a brand new sheet load of cards, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch all the way to the end of the video. I hope now you'll consider clicking on one of the videos or playlists I have linked above. And if you are interested in any of the products or tools I used in today's video, I do have some links in the description box below.